A SMART goal is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. A short version of the goal may not be able to include all the details pertaining to SMART, but using this goal-setting worksheet helps you include the extra details. First, S means specific. Your objectives should be clear and simple, with a scope that allows you to concentrate on what you need to accomplish to attain them. Here are a few examples of measures and time frames. I will lose 20 pounds by October 10, 2021. I will sign 5 new clients to increase sales by February 31, 2021. I will increase the open rate of emails by 20% in the next 2 months. Our business will go paperless within 6 months. Ask yourself if you've sufficiently defined the why, when, where, who, and how of your objective to assist it become more particular and restricted in scope. The M1 is measurable. If your objective is measurable, you will not only be able to tell if you have met your ultimate goal, but you will also be able to follow your progress by taking measurements along the way. You can maintain a record of your progress in the measure area at the bottom of the worksheet. You can keep track of your weight each week if you're trying to lose weight. You might keep track of the amount of new connections, sales figures, and so on for a business goal. And third, attainable or achievable. Identifying the obstacles you'll face and the resources you'll require is a crucial component of goal setting. Another important tool is the Key Stages section, which may help you build a strategy to reach your objective by breaking it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Some of these processes might be linked to the difficulties and resources you stated. For instance, part of a weight reduction objective may be to buy a bathroom scale, hire a personal trainer at your favorite gym, enroll in a Pilates class, or download and start using a health monitoring software, and so on. R means relevant. When a goal has a clear and useful purpose, it is relevant. As a result, this goal-setting worksheet includes a column for noting the goal's purpose. What is your motivation for pursuing this goal? What are the advantages? Because the reason is frequently the driving force behind accomplishing a goal, this section of the goal-setting worksheet should not be overlooked. Because the purpose is so essential, you might wish to include it in the goal's brief explanation. And finally, time-bound. Choosing a completion date is a crucial step. It's human nature to put off work, so if you don't have a firm deadline or finish date in mind, you'll be far less likely to meet your objectives. To assist you in selecting a goal date, try to use data that is as realistic as possible. Keep in mind that your objective must be attainable. For example, losing 2 to 3 pounds a week with a simple diet and exercise routine may be feasible, so a goal of losing 20 pounds in 2 months may be reasonable.